Now then guys, Matty here at M&J Automotive, and today we're doing a bit of a diagnostic on a little 2016 Ford Fiesta. The customer's complaining that the heaters, blowers aren't working as they should, and if I show you now, with ignition on, turn that off for the time being, start her up and then just see what's coming up. So once all lights go out, as you can see there, we've got a spanner light on. So we'll be running through a bit of a quick diagnostic on this using our Autel MK808 diagnostic tool. So turn it back off for the time being, and then diagnostic port. I'll cut back in a second. Back. So the diagnostic port, little cubby hole here, and then squeeze them down, and then as you can see, the LED port's there. So shut that again. Alright, grab our Autel diagnostic tool. Plug her in. Ignition on. Untap it. That suggests that the tool has detected the vehicle. So, we'll now go onto the diagnostic, unlock. Yep, my subscription's run out, so I do really need to update that. But I am looking at upgrading to a one of the higher models soon. So I will be looking into getting a new model. So right, it's a Ford. So we're going to the Ford on diagnostic section. Diagnostic program initializing. Let's see if it can do an auto selection, and then you click the read button at the bottom there. Reading VIN. Detected the VIN number. Right, okay. As you can see on the center console to my left, it's saying engine service now. So that suggests that the car's detected a problem, which would suggest that it may have an issue coolant related if it's tying into why the blowers aren't working. Alright, so it's coming up with lots of different areas. It's all of the markets. Sometimes they do take a bit of time to load. Right, there we go. Now, so we can either go into specific control units or just do an auto scan. I think on this one, we're going to just do an auto scan so it can run through all the systems, seeing what's up. PCM, there we go, one fault logged. They've not mentioned anything else, so if there is any others, we'll just have a quick look into them as well. Just running through 87%, 93, and we get 100%. Right, so we've got four faults across the vehicle. Start at the bottom because I think PCM is where we're going to be looking, then have a quick run through these. So read codes. The ignition is on. Steering wheel left switch pack. Okay, so that would suggest that this little section here is potentially at fault. So what we'll do is just escape from that in a minute. We'll just do an erase codes just so that if there is an issue, it will come back when either the ignition's cycled or the vehicle's started. Just do a scan again. There we go, it's back straight away. So yeah, that would suggest that there's potentially an issue with these little buttons here. So this section, read codes. I apologise that the video is a bit shaky. I'm looking into getting a gimbal. If anyone's got any recommendations on specific ones, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. Other than that, we'll just be doing a bit of reading some of the reviews, seeing which ones work as the better ones to get. As you saw, the vehicle is just cycling a few systems to see if everything's working as it should. So we've got remote control switch. So I'll just escape out of this one for the time being, erase them, see if they come straight back anyway. So escape out of there, and that was in body control module. Yeah, that was passed for the time being. So audio control module, read codes. So yep, won't be touching anything. One hand on the phone for the camera, one hand here, not touching anything. Alright, so it's got a speaker issue, speaker 1. So that would suggest that potentially one of the speakers is at fault. So I'll just do it. Now, I wouldn't recommend just erasing all the codes, especially if you're inexperienced, because then it could throw off the person if you end up having to take the vehicle to someone. Yeah, that issue comes straight back, so that would suggest there's a speaker issue. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend just erasing the codes, because if you do have to end up taking the vehicle to a mechanic, it does possibly cause them issues, because the codes might not come straight back, so then they've then got to try and go through the process and find out how to make the vehicle throw that fault code up again, so then they can go down the route of fixing that issue. Right, so we'll go into what we came for. And there's a bit of glare on the camera, yeah, sorry that. But yeah, we'll go into the issue we came for. So we're in PCM. So read codes. Sorry about that. Ignition is on. So now it's just running through, seeing what's coming up. Taking us a bit of time. Engine oil deteriorated. So that's not actually throwing up the issue I was hoping, whether it was coolant related, but that would suggest that the car is needing a service. So I will be advising the customer when they come to pick it up that the vehicle is wanting a service. I'll also take a screenshot of this, so then I can let them know that it is requiring a service. I won't clear that one, because then at least it gives them a bit of an incentive to get it done, because then once it's sorted, serviced, it will then get rectified, because the engine oil will no longer be deteriorated. That's just a basic run through of the Autel MK808 on this little 2016 Ford Fiesta. So to come back out, you just click the escape button, make sure you want to exit, okay. Comes back to control units, escape, yes, escape, yes. And then it comes back to there, and then you can come back out to the menu. There we go. Right, I'd just like to thank you guys for watching. If anyone has any comments about the diagnostic tool, or any questions in general, please feel free to comment in the section below. If you like this video and would like to subscribe for future content, please hit the subscribe button. If you just like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Any feedback is welcome. And we'll just like to thank everyone for watching. This is Matty signing off at M&J Automotive. Thanks, guys.